This is Queen's Grill Suite 9015 aboard the Queen Mary 2. It's a Q5 category located on the starboard side of the ship. Note the beautiful display cabinet containing fine glassware. In Queen's Grill you get a fully stocked minibar and fresh fruit, both of which are replenished daily. The two-seater sofa can also be converted into a third berth if required. Lovely large comfortable double bed and relaxing armchair. We now walk through into the dressing area, which has plenty of electrical sockets and storage. And this is the large walk-in wardrobe, which is an addition to the three wardrobes located on the right hand side of the suite when you first come in. Nice spacious bathroom, jacuzzi bath and shower over. In Queen's Grill, in addition to a bedroom steward, you also have a butler. They both work together to make sure your suite is maintained in immaculate condition throughout your voyage. Walking back into the main area of the suite, you can see there's a nice writing desk and LCD television. The lifeboats you can see are actually located below on deck 8. These are not visible once you're sat down in your lovely comfortable steamers. I do hope this review has been useful for you. Thank you for watching.